He jumps the fence, and then he goes into a. Yeah, you got it. Then he goes into a trot. Right off. As soon as he jumps the fence, lands, and then trots. Take him! Boom! Knew he was hit. Couldn't believe it. No offense.
No, I didn't think I hit him.
And then, but I didn't say anything. I'm just watching him. Know he's hit. He runs 100 yards. Hind goes down.
Jeremy went in by the slough, drove through, and he's going all the way around Big Canyon, coming out the gravel pit.
Okay.
And they did a stock at the gravel pit
Okay.
on some little bucks this morning.
Okay.
So I don't know if that helps you where you're going to go. Or
How many to pull down on that?
Didn't see nothing big in the gravel pit.
no,
Not one for big enough for him.
not for Mike. And nothing for Stan either. Or I mean for Ken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Freudian slip
Said
there.
Ken,
Right.
We're waiting after we were sitting outside after lunch. Was that by tomorrow at
So
Holstein?
you're going to cut it off with him
Something.
keeping it?
Are you?
Do you
What?
want the hide?
You want the hide?
Oh, you think I was kidding?
Well, I was gonna cut it right off right here, but if you want the hide, I'll.
I want the hide.
Let's split it all the way
Okay.
down.
Yeah,
Please.
split it. Okay.
Put it down the throat.
Look at that. That's pretty cool.
You want to come up or you want to just go down?
Let me see. Let me get my other knife.
Grab that. Grab that. Why don't you pull it out?
Okay.
Oh, do you want some lunch?
No, I'm good.
Are you
I
sure?
told Mike to recharge, so. Mike's recharged. Go help him recharge.
Just gonna be helpful.
Recharge. Mark.
Jeez.
We knew what you meant. That's why we all started giggling like little 14-year-old boys.
I recharged, so.
We don't want to hear about it.
We better let it go at this point.
Where's your? Okay. Well, Stan, I'm excited that I got to be around to witness you get your first deer.
That's
That's
pretty
really
cool.
cool.
It was way cool. And seriously, when I shot, I had no idea I hit him. I couldn't tell until he went down. Is that the throat?
Yep.
I don't need any missing fingers.
Deer blood's good enough for you?
Yeah, absolutely.
I called Cass, told him he'd be at work tomorrow morning.
I will kick your ass. Man down.
Oh, that was good.
I texted a bunch of people, not a single soul from the office though.
Yeah, that's right. You're gonna relax, aren't you, buddy?
We're having a bonfire
I'm
tonight.
Chilling.
We're having a
Alright,
bonfire.
I'm just chilling.
Yeah, I told Gloria, so we're doing, or Ken, I said,
Cool.
we're doing a bonfire
That
tonight.
sounds like a plan. I could drink a few more beers than usual because I don't have to get up in the morning.
Yes, baby.
Uh-oh.
Ken is always awake when I go to bed, and I saw him out by the imaginary fire they were sitting by last night when I went to bed. He's like, I can't go to sleep this early. There she be!
Blood and guts, baby. Blood and guts. No, I just put that over my head and wear it around.
Here, let's just fold it
I
on.
was trying to just stand up.
So,
So I was
Mark,
trying to do that.
Yeah.
should we cut that hair, or the hair off right behind the skull cap?
The hide?
You
that
know,
what you're-
wash it off, or what do you think? Do you want to roll it up?
I don't know.
Nobody does this, huh? Not too many people do this?
No, we've never done it.
Really?
No.
Okay.
What do you
Roll
think?
it up for now. Just go ahead and roll it up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll hold it if you want to roll it.
Wow.
Sure got skinny.
Complete isolation.